Hi guys, and welcome to PowerPoint. Today I'll teach you how to make a 3D shape. Let's get started. First, delete the first slide and make a new slide. It's blank. Make a square and let's make the square from square to cube. Let's click it and let's go to shape effects. You see 3D rotation. That's not rotation. Let's fix that. We'll go back to 3D rotation and we will go to 3D rotation options. Let's go to 3D format and change the width. Set it to 0. And now C. Let's set it to 80. Like this. 100. Like that. 1000. Oh. Okay, 100. 190. Wow, and you can change this shape and color. See? And you can change rotation too. Look at this. You can set everything to 0. And you can do more, like this. And you can make animations in my next episode. Look at this, that's great. Now, goodbye guys. I hope you enjoy making 3D PowerPoint presentations. Now, I don't have to do anything. Goodbye, and so like and subscribe.